Hi, my name is Mishawna Romero. I'm a mom and a hairstylist, and I'm here local in San Diego, and I specialize in hand-tied extensions and balayage and gray coverage. You can book your next hair appointment online with me, and my website is below. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the 6 hair products all women should own and how to use them. So the list is right here, 1 through 6. 1, salon branded shampoo. Number 2, salon branded conditioner. Number 3, a detangle spray. Number 4, a blow-dry serum. Number 5 is dry shampoo. And number 6 is a hairspray. So let's go through each of those and how to use them. And for your information, I've included the list of the 6 below in the description. So my current favorites are Awapui Wild Ginger, and then the Detangler by Paul Mitchell. Doesn't matter if your shampoo or conditioner are matching. What matters is you haven't bought them at Target or a drugstore or Rite Aid. Quite possibly, if you've done that, those products are probably what's considered a diverted product, and that means it's been sitting on the shelf for years, getting old and yucky, or it could be a knockoff product. So just don't do it. Buy it from me or buy it from a reputable online source. It might seem obvious, but it bears repeating. You want to shampoo your scalp and the roots and moisturize the ends. Undue friction on your hair or really hard scrubbing can fade your color and really dry out and make your hair just feel awful. So make sure that you shampoo the roots and moisturize the ends. Let's see, product number 3 is a detangle spray. My current favorite is Rusk 2-in-1 Weightless, and the purpose of using a detangle spray is so that when you're combing out tangles on wet hair, you're not ripping and pulling and breaking your hair. So it's twofold, for fast detangling and to prevent breakage on wet hair. What you want to do is hold your detangle spray, I always like to say about a half a hand distance from your hair, like this, and then give like 4 healthy sprays. I just sprayed myself in the face. I'm super famous for that. But 4 healthy sprays on wet hair, and then you're going to use your Pro Paddle Detangler to comb out those tangles. All right, that was product number 3, a detangler. Product number 4 is a blow-dry serum, and my current favorite is Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny Serum. Blow-dry serum, or you can call it an air-dry serum. The purpose of that product is you want to apply it every single time you get out of the shower on wet hair. So what you'll do is you'll put a dime size amount in your hand. Right now I'm kind of running low on this one, so I'm just going to put like a dime size amount on my hand. You can kind of see that there maybe. And then I'm going to warm it up. Starting from underneath first, you're going to work that product through your hair. So let's pretend, guys, I have wet hair and I just hopped out of the shower and I've already used my detangle spray. I'm going to apply a serum to wet hair, going from the mids to the ends and staying away from the roots until the very end. So once I've already worked it through the mids and the end, I'm going to pat the remainder on the top. And then I'm going to again use my Pro Paddle Detangler to work that serum into the hair. So this comb through step is one that a lot of people skip. Make sure that's not you. You want to work that serum through every little fiber so that your hair gets an even coat. And guys, let's remember that modern serums, modern blow-dry serums, contain a good hair healthy chemical, and it's called cyclopentasiloxane. That's a long name, and what it just does is it promotes 4 things. So if you have virgin hair, what it's going to do is it's going to offer sunscreen protection. If you have color hair, cyclopentasiloxane prevents fading, and then it also defrizzes your hair, and it also gives you that smooth, sleek, blow-dry look. So this is the product that I use in the salon to give you a blow dry. And let's say, pretend you don't even blow dry your hair, that's totally fine. You're gonna still put it on wet hair and you're gonna comb it through, and then you're just gonna air dry. Your hair will behave better and look a lot better as well. Okay, let's go on to product number 5, which is the dry shampoo. My current favorite is Dry Wash by Paul Mitchell. And you're gonna use this, let's say if you shampoo your hair on Monday, you're gonna use it on Wednesday, and it's going to extend the life of your shampoo so you can go one more day without washing. Because if you've got thick hair, extensions, or you just don't have the time, getting a little extra day of not washing in your schedule is awesome because it'll save a ton of time. So what you want to do with the dry wash, this is a new can, so I'm just going to kind of test it in the air. You're going to hold it about, again, a half hand distance away from your head, and then you're just going to spray the oily parts. So I'm just going to look here and give it a light touch. Okay, and I just sprayed the oily parts, and what happens is it soaks up all of that natural oil, and it allows you to go one more day without shampooing. Dry wash is super awesome. Remember, any of these products you can purchase through me, and I'll go ahead and put my email below. So a dry shampoo is number 5 product. And it looks like I said half a hand distance. It's more like a hand distance so that you don't apply too much. And I forgot, the ingredients that's in a dry shampoo is basically talc and a propellant. And what the talc does is it soaks up all of those extra oils, and it allows you to, for the 3rd time I'm repeating myself, sorry guys, you just go longer without shampooing, thereby preventing fadage on your color and also not looking greasy. That's really important. You don't want to look super greasy. All right, the 6th and final product is good, trusty old hairspray. Current favorite is this BioSilk Volumizing Therapy. And here's a neat tip that you might not already know. A lot of people already use hairspray, so here's a tip you might not know. When you have a section of hair that you're going to go ahead and put on a curling iron, make sure that you spray both sides of the pancake. Spray the top of the pancake and the bottom of the pancake for maximum hold. Okay? A second really neat tip, let's say you're going to be, your curls are going this way and the hair is sort of in a downward motion. Always spray in the direction that your style is going, in a downward motion, and it just makes your hair look so beautiful, versus going in an upward motion if the style is going down. So there's 2 awesome hairstyle tips, you guys. So that is it. Thanks so much for watching. Let's repeat, because I'm a super big person on repeating, and I used to be a personal trainer, so my little style of hairstyling and videos is kind of like a coach. I'm your hair coach. Here we go. The 6 products are number 1 and number 2, salon branded shampoo and conditioner. The 3rd product is a Detangle spray. The 4th product is a Blowdry serum. The 5th product is a dry shampoo. And the 6th product is a hairspray. Those are the 6 products all women should own and how to use them. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, it's never been easier to have the hair of your dreams with hand-tied extensions. Be sure to book your next hair appointment online with me. Talk to you later. Bye.